So what is the brown coat in stucco? Number one, we've got the scratch coat. Number two, we've got the brown coat. And then number three, the finish coat. Today, we're talking about the foundational, fundamental brown coat that is so extremely important. And the reason why is because it sets the foundation of the leveling of the stucco that is going on. Behind me here at Project Worth the Wait is the finish coat. And this is an integrated color finish coat. It's an integrated white. The only way that we achieve this amazing finish coat is because of the brown coat. Let's talk about it today. Thanks for joining us on the AFT Construction YouTube channel. The brown coat is typically made of a mix of sand, cement, lime, and water. It's applied about 3/8 of an inch thick over the cured scratch coat. And once spread, it's smoothed out using a derby or a straight edge to ensure an even surface. All right, so we're at a really cool transition from the finish coat to the brown coat right here. And underneath, so there's actually two steps in between here, between the finish coat and the brown coat that we have, which is the primer coat. But what we're gonna talk about right now is how important the brown coat is because of leveling in this process. See, when you're doing the stucco transition or you're trying to get to a smooth finished product, the most important segment of the steps is the brown coat, because what it's doing is it's getting that smooth texture in place. If you have an uneven surface in this situation, you are going to see all of the imperfections. And if you look here up at the finished coat of this stuccoed wall, this right here with the integrated color looks pristine. And that the reason why it looks so good is because of the brown coat and the primer coat. If you don't do the brown coat, and also if you don't do the primer coat, you're not gonna get a result that looks this good. Because if you look at all over this house, there is no imperfection that you can see from a distance. Now, if you get really, really close, there are probably slight imperfections, but that's kind of the process of this. It's not like your typical Arizona stucco where you see all of the deep like divots and imperfections and stuff, and that's just a part of the house. We are not looking for that to be a part of the house. So this transition to get from the brown coat to a finished stuccoed wall like this is incredibly key, but that first part of the brown coat leveling process is what makes or breaks a good stucco job. After application, the brown coat must cure properly. This involves keeping it moist for at least 48 hours to prevent cracking. Proper hydration ensures that the cement properly bonds and strengthens over time. Skipping and rushing the brown coat step can lead to issues like cracking, as we just mentioned, uneven textures, and weak adhesion of the final layer. So taking the time to apply and cure the brown coat properly results in a longer lasting and more attractive stucco finish. So as you can see, when you take all of the necessary steps, the scratch coat, the brown coat, the primer coat, and the finish coat, this is crucial to getting a flawless stucco finish. This is not like your typical master plan community stucco. This is a flawless, even finish. Look at how smooth this is, and now you guys are one step closer to knowing how to master stucco. If you guys have any questions, comment below. Is it a 4-step process for you? Is it a 3-step process? What is important for you in your stucco process? Comment below, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.